Countries across Europe see record highs in confirmed Covid-19 cases as the continent becomes the new epicentre of the pandemic. Daily global coronavirus cases rose by more than 400,000 for the first time on Friday, a record one-day increase, with Europe emerging as the new epicentre of the virus. The French Health Ministry has reported a record number of new confirmed cases of Covid-19 on Saturday at more than 32,400. It comes as a nighttime curfew affecting 20 million residents across major cities has been implemented, set to last for at least 4 weeks. The Czech Republic saw more than 11,000 new cases. In response, the army is to build an emergency field hospital in Prague. And more than 7,000 cases have been recorded by Germany in the latest 24-hour period. Well, in the UK, more than 28 million people in England have spent their first day under tighter coronavirus restrictions. It's also 24 hours since Northern Ireland started a 4-week circuit breaker lockdown, closing all hospitality venues except to provide takeaways.
Opening up in Australia, the state of Victoria eases some of its toughest coronavirus restrictions. Arrests have been made at demonstrations outside the official residence of the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in Jerusalem. He has been widely criticised for his handling of the pandemic. He's also facing corruption charges. The rallies on Saturday night were only permitted to go ahead after a lifting of the lockdown brought in by the government last month in order to try to curb the spread of coronavirus. Iran's President Hassan Rouhani has said that his country is now free to procure weapons and equipment from any source without international restrictions. That follows the expiry of an arms embargo agreed as part of the 2015 nuclear deal. But the president added that there was no risk that Iran would now go on an arms buying spree. America has been keen to maintain the arms embargo on Iran, but in August, the UN Security Council rejected a move to extend it. The British police officer who was poisoned in the nerve agent attack in the English city of Salisbury in 2018 is leaving the force. Detective Sergeant Nick Bailey was contaminated with Novichok at the home of Sergei and Yulia Skripal, where it had been sprayed on a door handle. But after returning to duty last year, the sergeant has tweeted that he has now had to admit defeat.